We started growing cantaloupes in 1913, and through the years we have built a brand recognition. There's an indicator called Brix, which is the amount of sugar content within a fruit. The standard is 9. Our cantaloupes are running as high as 14. I joke that maybe we should issue a toothbrush with every sale so they can brush their teeth afterward to keep away from cavities. I'm Bruce Frazier with Dixondale Farms in Carrizo Springs, Texas. Family's been here 4 generations since 1913. We're the largest cantaloupe grower in the state of Texas. Right now we're harvesting cantaloupes in Carrizo Springs, and we'll be shipping to supermarkets throughout the state. Why in Carrizo Springs is predominantly because of the weather. We're more of a desert climate. We get hot days, but we get cool nights. So our cantaloupes are able to convert that temperature gradient into high quality sugar, good straw color, good flavor that consumers want to get. Crop this year is exceptional. We've had warmer than normal temperatures earlier, which brought the cantaloupes on a little quicker. We start planting in late February and we continue planting until mid-April, so our plantings are staggered. And generally speaking, from the time I see the first bloom to the time that we're harvesting that field is 45 days. We want to have just a good, steady flow of cantaloupes to be able to support our retailers that expect us to have a good supply throughout the season. Our retailers, one is United Supermarkets out of Lubbock, Texas. H-E-B is another great supporter of ours. Albertsons, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Sprouts. The Texas chains really are supporting us. To be profitable, you need to do almost everything yourself. We take the process all the way from the growing, the harvest, the selling, the transportation, everything here ourselves. What we do is we have conveyors that go through the field. One person walks down each row. They're picking the fruit just that is ready, full of color, ready to go into the shed. We take this fruit, it'll go to the shed, get cooled, and it'll be shipped either today or tomorrow. So the fruit is basically just 2 days from being off the vine into the stores. Most cantaloupes varieties that are grown and shipped these days are what are called extended shelf life, which means that they can sit on a shelf for 1 to 2 weeks. They're hard as a rock. The consumer, when they pick up a cantaloupe, those extended shelf life have no smell. Because I have the support of the retailers in the state of Texas, I don't have to worry about the cantaloupe making a 7-day in transit to New York or something of that nature. The retailers would love the fact that when they open the doors of the truck, they get that terrific smell. Nowadays with social media, it's so wonderful to see everyone posting about how they found our cantaloupes. We see pictures of people carrying out cases of them. Because of the fact that this is about the only time of year here in the state of Texas that you're going to get a true cantaloupe. They know they're going to be consistently good, but they also know they're not going to be around a long time. So it's wonderful to have that connection with consumers that are sort of putting a feather in our cap, telling us what a good job we're doing. I married into this family, and my father-in-law was the son-in-law, so it's been passed on to son-in-laws through the ages. Maybe I have more to prove because I wasn't necessarily born into it. But I've been fortunate enough to gain the respect of all the employees, and they depend on me, I depend on them.